Here we are on the DYU e-bike, the S2, which is possibly the smallest e-bike in the world. We're going up my good old hill that I always start off on. 11 miles an hour, not bad. Oh, we've lost a battery bar already. That's my bad. So this is kind of my first impressions. However, I have ridden it before, and I'm currently going 14 miles per hour up this hill, which isn't bad at all, actually, because, well, let me tell you a little bit about this e-bike. It's not very powerful. It is my least powerful e-bike, and to be fair, my e-bikes aren't really that powerful. Shall I go this way? I think I'll go this way. Oh dear. Well, it's 240 watts. It's got a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, and I'm currently doing about 15 miles an hour. So I'm going to put my phone away. No. Right, let's get rid of that. Okay, let's carry on. Oh, I'm losing my camera. That's not very good, is it? Let's tighten that up a bit more. Oh wow, that was really loose. This is broken. Yeah, people think I'm mad. So, yeah, anyway, what was I saying? 240 watts, 36 volts, 10 amp hour battery, giving a range of about 25 miles per hour apparently on the throttle mode. I'm losing my camera. Right, let me sort this out. It's very bumpy over here. I mean, it's a 360 camera, so if it goes wobbly, it doesn't matter that much. But what was I saying? So yeah, apparently on throttle only, it has a range of about 25 miles. Maybe it does. It could do, because it's not a very powerful bike. With throttle assist, it increases that a little bit more. Now, you can probably tell there's no suspension on this. There's it's got a suspension saddle, which is hardly the same thing. And it feels weird, actually. It feels like I'm pushing the saddle down, which would be annoying because it's very hard to ride this. Oh God, I'm totally losing this now. I think this might be broken. Just leave it, Alex. Thing is, I don't want to lose my camera because I've taken the lens protectors off, so that would be very ironic indeed if that were to happen. Thanks. Everyone's like, what the hell's he on? What the hell is that he's riding? That ridiculous thing. Slow down. Thank you. Oh. Bumpy. It's probably a bit too bumpy for this. I honestly think I'm going to lose my camera today. Right. What else do you want to know about this? Obviously, it's a very small bike, tiny bike. And they say it's suitable for kids, which is kind of true. Like my son's had a go, my friend's son's had a go. Oh, I got something in my mouth. However, in England, I'm pretty sure you've got to be about 13 to ride an e-bike. So, suitable for kids, as long as they're over the age of a certain age. I think I'm going to avoid that over there because it's just too bumpy. I think I'm about to lose my camera. It's a funny little bike. It's very. It's not for off-roading, that's for sure. I'd actually forgot this was coming. Oh God. Oh, I didn't realise this was sucky toes in my mouth. I didn't realise it was that bumpy. I've been over there loads. I've been over on the electric skateboard and I didn't think it was that bumpy. This is a very bumpy bike, but it's doing really well. I mean, to take me around, should I go down there? I usually go down there, don't I? I'll go down here. it's carrying me. It's claim speed. It's meant to be going about 15.5 miles an hour, and it's managed to carry me that fast. So I'm quite impressed, to be honest. Now, it folds down really small, and they say pedal assist. Now, this does not have pedal assist. Let me just test it. Does it have pedal assist? No, well, oh, okay, it does have pedal assist. I didn't realise it's actually pedal assist. I thought it was just, but it doesn't seem to take you as fast as the throttle. So if I'm going this is how fast I'm going with pedal assist. Let's just get my phone back out. So pedal assist, so I keep saying the same thing over and over again. With pedal assist, I'm going 8 miles an hour. This is hilarious. This is so funny. Right, I'm gonna put that away. Let's get rid of that. And then with throttle, it takes you up to 15. So it's kind of pointless, the pedal assist. It's kind of no point at all. They don't really do anything. I kind of want to get back to the canal. It's not a bike that I'd want to take really, really far, if I am honest. I could, actually. I could just turn around and go down. No, I'm not, it's just too bumpy and I'm scared to lose my camera, so I'm going to go home now. But yeah, this is the DYU e-bike, the S2, and it is one of the smallest e-bikes I've ever seen. There's this other one that is going around that's small, and this is even smaller than that one. And I wouldn't say it's for kids, like kids can ride it. I suppose they would like it. I mean, it's kind of cool if you've got, you know, a young teenager who wants to go around and be a bit faster on it and they get used to it. They'd love it, to be fair. It is cool. The wheels are small, they're 10 inches. So the problem with that is you're closer to a scooter in its kind of comfort. So you can't go over any big things anymore, which is one of the reasons why it's so bumpy, actually. It's mega bumpy. And just having saddle suspension isn't really much help, but it is a very cool bike. How much it costs? That's about 500 quid, which for an e-bike is cheap. Obviously 500 quid's a lot of money, but especially what you want it for. You could, I mean, I've just had it in a car. It easily goes into the boot of a Nissan Leaf. You could pick it up. It weighs 17 kilograms. You could take it on a train, take it on a bus. Anyway, well, that's that. If you want to see, I'm going to be reviewing this shortly on my main channel. So I still can't believe how punchy this is up the hill. It's not bad at all. So there's only one gear. There's no gears on this. It's very basic. There's no speedo. So without the GPS thing, I don't know how fast I'm going. There's no, like I say, there's no gears, just the one gear. I mean, quite often, if it's geared well, you don't really need gears on an e-bike. Ow, bloody hell. Ugh. Come on, go, 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 go. But, oh yeah, it's got a light. Obviously, there's no point in using a light right now. Let's go, go. Sometimes I feel like it's a bit rear weighted. Like I feel like I'm going to do a wheelie. It's quite fun, really. I could definitely see a dude working in the city, or a girl, dudette, taking it on a bus, getting it off, unfolding, riding the last mile. I've hit a top speed of 16 miles an hour at the moment. Oh, it feels like it's slowing down. Oh, I got 3 bars though. Oh, I wonder if it does the thing where it cuts out after a certain speed, because the legal limit in the UK, and I think a lot of the EU, is 15.5 miles per hour. And what they'll do is the power will cut off after that point. So in that sense, this bike is a legal e-bike. However, because it's got a throttle that takes it above 6 miles an hour, it makes it technically not legal, which is why, as I usually do, I've come to America to test it. I haven't got a mirror on this bike. Definitely recommend a mirror. One by Tutus is quite good. I've done a video reviewing that if you want to check that out. Any cars coming. Let's go up on the curb. Oh, right, struggling a bit. There we go. It's kind of sedate, kind of comfortable, just relaxing. Apart from the bumpiness, like if you're not on a bumpy surface, it'll be okay. Oh, this is hilarious. I need to go past the people on the pub, really, don't I? You got the silly looks. This is ridiculous. Let's go down here. Right. It's all right because I'm doing it for YouTube and not just for fun. I'm obviously not having fun, honest. Right, I'm gonna go around here and then go back home. Right, let's try and get some. I'm gonna keep on the throttle. I wonder if it's got cruise control. I don't think it has got cruise control. I haven't read that it's got cruise control. Do you know what? Evening rides, this weather, the weather today, I think it's somewhere between 17 and 19 degrees. Oh, it's so nice. Get out the house, get riding a bike, even if it's, you know, any bike. Go for a walk, just do something, get out in this weather, it's nice. It's that time of year. It's that time of year when things are just looking up. Maybe you can, you got someone you like spending time with, gonna get a couple of bikes out, go for a ride. There's an alley that I've never seen before. Go for it. Right, I'm definitely feel like I'm slowing down now. I wonder how fast I'm going. Let's try and get my phone. I reckon I'm going like 10. Oh no, I'm going 14, 15 miles an hour, which is what it's meant to be doing. I'm currently doing 14 miles per hour. I've done 2.6 something miles. Danbury Gardens, Danbury! Right, heading home now. I did actually just end the video, but I'm gonna do another end of the video and just cut that bit out. I just wanted to keep riding. I'll get back to you soon. Right, I think I've covered everything though, so, you know, it's got no speedo, it's got no gears, it's got lights, it's got mud guards, which is kind of cool. But, oh, they're gonna wait, thank you. That's very nice, isn't it? They could have just gone then. I mean, on this, such a little bike. Party box, for all your party needs. Never heard of that. Why would I? See, now I don't know if there's a car coming. There is a car coming. Let's just do some. You gonna get past me before this car? Oh, I'm gonna go up the curb. Wah! He nearly crashed into the lamppost. Oh, that's hilarious. Right, come on car, get past me. Oh, I'm gonna go down my favourite street. Okay, they are not there. Maybe they were lost. Right, Romsey Road. I love this street, I don't know why. Oh, it's like roadworks at the moment, it's ruined it. I'll tell you why I love this street, it reminds me of Big. I want to kind of walk along it, kicking leaves, singing Jimmy Jimmy Coco Pop. Yeah, what else? So, 10-inch wheels, pneumatic, yeah, I didn't say that. Airfield, not rubber tyres, but you know, airfield. They're pretty cool. So, This would be actually like terrible if it was on proper scooter tires. There's a car coming, don't crash into me. And then I'll go home. I'm gonna go this way. Doing, I'm losing my camera. Hilarious. Everyone's like everyone who drives past, they're like looking at me from the sides of their eyes, like, what the hell is that person on? But it's cool. It's definitely my coolest e-bike. Like, I've got the Engui and the ADO, which are kind of cool in a different way. But you know, many people would be like, yeah, they're not really cool. They're just cool for like middle-aged men or something. Actually, no, kids did think the ADO was cool. They did say it was a sick bike. But anyway, do ask me anything in the comments if there's anything you want to know about this. The brakes seem pretty good, the mechanical disc brakes front and rear. Well, that was the e-VRC. This was the DYU S2 e-bike. And if you want to see more of that, let me know. Any questions in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and take care of yourself.